Hello guys, welcome back to another drone flight of One True Legend. Today we are in a place called Northwood in the London Borough of Hillingdon. So without further ado, let's take off. Alright, so we're going to go to the max height. Seems like my Osmo Action 360 battery just died. So we're going to have to delete some stuff from it. Because I just realised, I thought it died and I've read it, it meant internal storage full. I read it, luckily I just read it as I thought the battery died, but luckily the battery didn't die. So what we're going to do, a 360-degree photo, and then we're just going to zip around this area. So I just done a drone flight in Amersham and in Rickmansworth, and now I'm here on the Metropolitan line. All right, 360-degree photo is now complete. Let's just zip around Northwood. So we're just in this area down here. Let's bring the drone down this high street. This is a high street down here. Let's get a shot of this area. It's a nice little suburban area. So I just come back from a drone flight in Amersham. I was going to go to Chesham, but the train was going to take so long. I'd have to wait so long for the train. So that's why I didn't go there. I just decided to just fly here, and probably in the future I'll probably go to Chesham. Because you have to wait, it takes a long for a train to actually go back into London from Amersham, and then from there you have to wait a long time again for a train to go to Chesham, and I thought it's not worth it to wait that long. So it's just better to just fly here, and then next I'll fly in, I'll come here again in the future, but to Chesham, and I go to, I'll probably fly somewhere, I was planning to fly somewhere like Pinner as well. I'll probably do that next time. And this is my third drone flight today, because I've charged it with my power bank, that's solar charged, and then after that I realised my phone was low, and then I charged it to like 15%, and then afterwards it just stopped charging. The power bank died, so I had to just come in and just charge it locally, charge my phone locally, so I can have enough battery to fly and use my phone while flying. So here I am. This battery is also fully solar powered, because that was a fully solar powered power bank. So after I flew it in Rickmansworth, I completely charged it with my power bank, my base US power bank, which is solar powered. So let's go towards this area down there. Is it me, or does it look like this roof's covered by solar? It looks like it's covered by solar. That's crazy. Maybe I'm seeing things from a small screen. It looks like solar, but I might be wrong. I believe it's solar, but I've never seen solar on a roof like that, so it's probably not solar. I mean, there's not that much to see in Northwood. Like, I've pretty much been everywhere in this area now. I mean, obviously Northwood's a big area, but the town centre, I've not been everywhere in the town centre. Let's go towards this area down here. Northwood. Let's go towards this area down here. I want to go to the south side, but I have to go walk to the other side of the car park. So let's just come back. Gotta look off. Just gotta look around there, make sure that we should do. Let's now fly towards the train station. Like we're at the train station already. It's a big car park down there as well. I could have gone down there. Maybe it's a private car park, I'm not sure. Probably not. I think it's a station car park, but it is what it is. I already took off now. It's a nice little area here in Northwest. We're in the London Borough of Hillingdon. I've already done a drone flight in this borough in Hayes, which is the other part of the borough. Look at that little viaduct here. Not a viaduct, it's like a bridge. I want to see a train go by, and then we can track it with our drone. Where's the next train? Got another bridge down there. Alright, starting back. Nice little shot here in Northwood. Really quiet now. Absolutely no one's around. Empty car park. I mean, it's full of cars, but no one's in this area. It's crazy. So this is where we're flying from. Taking off from here. So you've got a train actually, look. Track the train. Obviously the train's going to be faster, but I guess we kind of made use out of this trip because I've used my third battery, so I've one more video that I've made. Thanks to my solar charged power bank, but then I completely didn't have enough for my phone after that. Believe it or not, that power bank was fully charged before I left, and now it's dead because I've charged all my devices. I charged my phone before, and I charged my other battery, mini free battery, which is where I flew in Amersham. Look at that. Amazing shot of the train. We're going in sports mode. We're not going as fast because the wind's actually slowing it down. Let's just go in normal mode then. If I put in normal mode, it made no difference to the speed whatsoever because it's going at the exact same speed. Because the max speed of normal mode is 22 miles an hour. While the max speed of sports mode is 35 miles an hour. Alright, let's come back now. It's a nice little area to fly. Just that. Just that the car park's not big enough to see the horizon. I mean, it is big enough, but because there's trees around, I can't see the horizon that much. So that's why I can't go as far. The train's actually coming here, so get a shot of the trains. Let's get a shot of this little area down there. Look at that. What's that house down there? Get a sideways shot, we'll come back. Basically in northwest London. Let's follow the train. Let's go back to where I took off from before, so you can get a nice shot of the horizon. So while I'm doing it, I'm walking backwards so I can keep range of the drone. See, I still got range of it. Definitely still got range of it. Yeah. I'm not gonna go that far because I might lose range of it soon, so yeah, let's come back. Let's get a shot of this area down there. It's 5 PM now, the sun's lower in the sky. So that's just this one thing. When I flew in Rickmansworth, the sun was high up in the sky because we've flown early in the day. Let's get a shot of this bus. What a shot. It's coming towards our area now where we're flying. Actually, it's not really come to our area. It is going down there, however, so try and get a shot of that area. Look at that, nice shot. The bus. Goes all the way down there. Look at that nice countryside shot. Let the bus come, go all the way down there. Follow the bus down there. Move a little bit. Look at that, it's like a nice open area in this area. Right, let's just come back. Look at that nice neighbourhood shot of Northwood. Amazing. In a minute I'm gonna land. What I'll do, I've got range now. Good. I was about to lose range. Let's go towards this side and let's get a closer shot of the town centre before we land. Look at that. So right, we got a let's get a nice low-down shot of the area down there. We're going to follow the bus down this way. We're going to wait for the car to start moving. car started moving, so let's track the bus going down there. It's going to that bus stop, so we'll just carry on our way. Actually, there's another bus. What bus is that? Never seen that before. We haven't really got backwards shot before. Can be nerve-wracking if you've got a lot of buildings, so you don't know if there's a building behind you. But obviously, this area, I'm very 100% certain there's no tall buildings here. So if you do that, then should be no problem flying backwards. And if you can see proper range of the drone anyway. There's no worries anyway with flying backwards, because you can see that's not going to hit anything. Let's get a shot of the train going down this way. Look at that. That is a sick shot. I haven't really got shots like this before. Unrivaled. Come back in sports mode. Actually, there's another train. I'm going to do now, I'm going to land a drone in this area. Start recording. I deleted some stuff while I was flying, so should have enough battery. Let's land the drone. Actually, no, we've still got 5% left. I mean, not 5%, but like 5% of the till the beeping starts. Actually, we only got 3% till the beeping starts. I wanna land it before the beeping starts, so because it kind of disturbs the video. Look at that amazing shot. Get a shot of it landing. Alright, that was my amazing drone flight here in Northwood in the London Borough of Hillingdon. That was an amazing drone flight, and I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.